Hello and welcome to Academic Technologies. In this video, we will be giving an overview of how to set up local recordings using the installed Panopto application on your laptop, while utilizing our AV equipment for audio and in-room cameras. This guide is specially designed for the installed application for Panopto and not the web-based version. In addition, this video only applies to local laptop Panopto recordings, using your own device, and does not cover automated Panopto recordings. Begin by logging into the classroom's touch panel using your Husky card. Remove the wireless microphone from the podium drawer. In order to record audio from the classroom on Panopto, either the podium microphone or a wireless microphone must be turned on and used. Have your laptop open, turned on, and on your desktop screen. To display your laptop onto the room's projection screen, locate on the podium top and connect either the HDMI cable or VGA cable with stereo mini audio cable. This connection will send video and audio out to the classroom. Select your source of choice and then press Send to Projector to complete the connection. To use the in-room audio capture and camera feed with Panopto, locate the USB cable at the top of the podium. This is a USB Type-A connector. Please ensure that your laptop has a USB-A port or an adapter with a USB-A port. Plug the USB cable into your laptop. This will be used to connect the camera and microphone in the room to your Panopto recording. This is equivalent to connecting a webcam and microphone to your laptop. The laptop will usually identify the connection as AV Bridge. Next, locate the Panopto application on your computer and open the program. Sign into your Panopto account using the UW single sign-on authentication, specifically for Apple laptops. Once Panopto is opened, select the Create a New Recording link. This will lead you to the main landing page that allows you to adjust video and audio inputs. For Windows-based laptops, Panopto will launch to the main landing page without the need to select a link in between. To ensure you have correct AV inputs, go to the primary source selection on the left-hand side of the screen. Use the drop-down menu to pull up different inputs. Select AV Bridge to access the classroom camera feed, along with audio from either the podium microphone or the wireless microphone. Ensure that your mic is on and unmuted on the touch panel. Try speaking into the mic in the room. By speaking into the microphone, the visual color bar will shift when audio is picked up. In order to control the camera in the classroom, go to Camera Controls on the left side of the touch panel, or find the Vadio remote in the drawer if there is one present. If you're using the remote control, make sure to point the remote directly at the camera in order to control it. Now you have successfully connected the camera and microphone to your Panopto recording. Once finished with your Panopto recording, you can unplug the USB feed. Please return the wireless microphone back to the drawer. Don't forget to log out the system when you're finished with class. We hope that this video helps you with your Panopto recordings in our general assignment classrooms. For any inquiries regarding the Panopto software itself, please contact Learning Technologies. And if you have any other questions about using the technology in your assigned classroom, please contact us at help@uw.edu.